Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add text-to-speech to Canva videos. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your PC and navigate to the Canva website. If you haven't already, sign into your Canva account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Canva dashboard. Here, you can either open an existing project by clicking on it or start a new one by selecting a template from the home page. Now, let's add text-to-speech to your Canva video. To do this, open a new tab in your browser and search for Voice Maker. Once you've found a suitable Voice Maker tool, open its official website. Here, you can input the text you want to convert to speech. You can also choose different voices and adjust other settings as per your preference. After generating the speech, download the audio file to your computer. Now, return to your Canva project. In the editor, navigate to the Uploads tab on the left-hand side and click on it. Upload the downloaded audio file to Canva using the Upload feature. Once the audio file is uploaded, you can add it to your video by clicking on it and position the audio file as needed. After that, you can preview the output by clicking on the play button. So that's basically how you can add text-to-speech to Canva videos. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.